welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll just be showing y'all how I crochet some hair in. Nothing special, just me showing y'all how I crochet hair. You'll see that when I first start crocheting the hair in, I just put it all over her head first, and then I go in and I fill in the empty spots. And also I try not to get too close to her edges when I put the hair in, because crochet hair can take your edges out with it pulling so tight at your edges. So yeah, this is just a video of me crocheting her hair. I'm sorry, y'all. I threw away the packaging. I don't know what kind of hair this was. I was supposed to keep that and put it in my description box, but I threw it away. So I forgot, y'all. I'm so sorry. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.